Hi there! Today we'll be discussing our newest release, work item templates. Templates can be used to create PM schedules or for standard work that you see around your facility. To create a new template, you'll go to your name dropdown in the upper right corner and select Template Editor. Here you'll see any existing work item templates that you've already created, but let's create a new one. In this example, I'm going to do something I see often at my facility. You'll need a template name and a description. You can select the proper category this falls under, and even add checklist items. If you needed to include any attachments, you can also do that as well. Otherwise, we can get this template saved. As you can see here, I have that template under my work item templates. Now, if I'm going into my work manager, I now have the ability to create a task from a template. I'm going to do that repaint room and get this created. You'll notice this is like most work orders, but some fields we have locked that are from the template. So you'll notice this can't be changed because it was part of that predefined template. I can go ahead and add the location that I'd like and get that added so we have a spot, and I can even add that detail to the title. I can get this to assign to an agent, set the priority, the expected due date, and then this is all ready to go. You'll see that work order we just generated is available under our work group. If you have any questions on creating templates, please use the chat option in the lower right corner and select Speak to a Product Expert. Thanks so much.